the aspirations and dreams of people around the world, bringing them on the path to progress, giving them the most cutting-edge and technologically advanced products in the field of power distribution, electrical cables and wires, industrial lubricants across more than 100 countries worldwide, is APAR Industries Limited, powering global dreams. APAR Industries was founded in 1958 by the late Shri Dharamsingh Desai, a visionary Indian industrialist who pioneered the manufacture of power conductors, the building block for power transmission and distribution, so at least electricity can reach everyone, everywhere. With a conscious innovation focus and initiatives over 5 decades, today, APAR Industries has emerged to be one of the world's leading technological leader with multi-products and multi-location manufacturing and distribution hubs worldwide. The Cables and Wires division of APAR Industries manufactures a wide range of cables and wires that empower the world and connect the country to progress. APAR's range of wires and cables carry years of proven technology, the latest innovations, and the potential of tomorrow. And electron beam technology is one such industry-leading technology that APAR has installed and has made it stand apart among manufacturers in India. APAR has pioneered and set the trend of the future of wiring in India. The electron beam technology is a worldwide state-of-the-art technology used in the manufacture of cables. APAR Industries has installed 2 electron beam accelerators at their Kathalwada unit, Vapi, Gujarat. At par with international standards, it is a definite edge over other manufacturers in India. Let's understand E-beam technology. Radiation has been used in various fields such as nuclear physics, medical and isotopes ever since X-ray was first discovered by the German engineer Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. In 1952, radiation was used on polyethylene, an insulating material in cables. Electron beam system consists of an electron gun to generate and accelerate the electron beam. High voltage is used to produce a high-energy electron beam. There is a magnetic scanner system to direct and control the electron beam when bombarding the material. The cross-linking process. Polymers are made of hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon as strong bonds and carbon-hydrogen as weak bonds. The electron beam irradiation is a process in which the polymer is exposed to the stream of electrons. The high-velocity electrons break the weak carbon-hydrogen bonds and create carbon-carbon double bonds, which we call as cross-links between molecules. Cross-linking significantly improves the thermal, mechanical, and chemical properties of the polymer. 5 major effects of electron beam irradiation on cables. Increases temperature withstanding capacity from 70 degrees centigrade in normal wires to 105 degrees centigrade. Due to increased temperature withstanding capacities, the current carrying capacity increases to more than double. The cables are heat and melt resistant. Cables become abrasion resistant. Increases operating life from conventional 15 to 20 years to almost 50 years. In a simple demonstration, in a solder iron test, the copper in a normal wire gets exposed at the point of contact, while in the electron beam wire, the copper remains unexposed. The performance can be best demonstrated with this test, where we connect an ordinary wire of 1 square mm in series with APAR's electron beam wire of 1 square mm. A normal wire carries 11 to 12 amperes of continuous current. Here, we shall pass current of 40 to 41 amperes through them for the same amount of time. This is to see the performance of the wires in an overload situation. In just a few minutes, you can see smoke in the normal wires, and in the next few seconds, the copper gets exposed. While there is smoke from the electron beam wire, the copper remains unexposed as this is heat and melt resistant. So, in case of an emergency, it is much safer. Small reason why cables and wires of APAR Industries are trusted and a leading name in electrical and telecommunication sector, used by the biggest industries across the world. For APAR Industries, it's a continuous mission of powering dreams globally by bringing you tomorrow's progress today.